Good morning. We meet again on another adventure. So there's that beautiful building over there. I think it might be a hotel. Everybody's gawking because there is a remote controlled lawnmower in the front yard. However, here is what I'm really doing. Holy shit. So I'm in Brazil. This is Foz do Iguaçu. And this is just the first view. So pretty overwhelming. I took a taxi here. The taxi was, it's only $40, and he stays and waits 2 hours for me. So yeah, that's the Argentinian side over there. The driver though, he's really cool. His name is Eric. He's a little bit younger, speaks really good English. He helped get me across the border. No issues getting into Brazil at all. I was telling him that I'm really interested in going to Paraguay. So he said, well, we'll throw it in today. So I'm going to Paraguay after this. What? He laughed at me when I told him that he really made my day with that. But yeah, there we are. All right, so more to come later. Hopefully I don't cry. So I've only made it about 10 steps. And I already got my binoculars out. There's some really cool shit happening. There are these birds. They're called swifts. I think they're great dusky swifts or something like that, and they're actually just to the left of the umbrella, or not the umbrella, the rainbow. That wasn't even close. And they're super cool birds because they actually nest behind the water, and so they dart in and out of the waterfall, and their nests are behind there, and it's a really good protection for them. So yeah, this is incredible. So on the Brazilian side, things are a little bit different. There's only one trail. It's this one. It's about 1.25 kilometers long. And the entire time, this is your view. So on the Argentinian side, there's at least 3 trails, each of which takes about 2 hours, sometimes 3. But the unfortunate thing with this is that it's very, very crowded. But I don't mind. Everyone seems to be pretty friendly. Yeah, so wow, they just keep going. On the bus it said that this is the largest waterfall complex in the world, and I absolutely believe it. So I'm going to try and do my best. I don't know if you can hear me over the roar of the waterfalls, but I'm at the sort of the pinnacle of the Brazilian side. So I'm going to do my best to go out there. We'll see how that works out. I've got my rain jacket. The only thing that would stop me would be the fear of falling over. So good luck, everybody. So I gave up. I made it about halfway, maybe. There's just a little bit of wobble in it. And you're too close to the edge for me, and my stomach got nauseous and I almost lost my lunch. So I will only have to wonder what the edge of that looks like. I know it was something of my nightmares, so I will happily stand here and take all this in from way up here by the elevator and nowhere near the edge.